So we're going to move to the next part. So like I said before, this is something that we see in calculus sometimes, and I just want to relate this back to the simple concept of rise over run, vertical change over horizontal change. So we have this complex looking thing that when we see it, we're like, oh my God, I hate this. I hate math. I don't want to study math. Just it's not that hard. Just breathe in deep, exhale, take your time and just look. So we have f of x subscript 2 minus f of x subscript 1. So all this is a vertical change or rise. Yeah. So we have x subscript 2 minus x subscript 1. All that is a horizontal change or run. Likewise, and remember, both of these are equal. They're the same thing, saying the same thing. Yeah. So we have y subscript 2 minus y subscript 1. All that is a vertical change or rise. We have x subscript 2 minus, oh, sorry, minus x subscript 1, right? X subscript 2 minus x subscript 1. All that is a horizontal change or rise. If you realize, this is the numerator here and this is the numerator here, and both of them are the vertical change or rise or the vertical change or rise. We have the denominator here and the denominator here, and both of those denominators say the same thing, the horizontal change or run or the horizontal change or run, and that's all it relates back to. Don't get bogged down like, oh my God, this is horrible. No, that's all it relates back to. And I have right here, and I said it already. Remember, the formulas above are saying the same exact thing. That's all they're saying. So let's look back at the original. So we have slope or gradient of a line. That's all it relates back to. And just to add that when we have the rise overrun, and I showed earlier that you can place it either as y to x or in a fraction form y over x. Sometimes you might see it like this. So so don't be frightened when you see this. And I think this is the Greek symbol for delta. So you can see it like that, or that. And rise overrun, vertical change, as I said, over horizontal change, or vertical change to horizontal change. And that's about it. I'm not sure about showing you the definition of a derivative part as yet. What I used to help me do that was Khan Academy and Patrick JMT on YouTube. But what I will show you, so not to confuse you, is just this. Remember I said before, you have right here vertical change or rise, and right here horizontal change or rise. And remember, yeah, so as I showed in on the previous paper, when you combine them you get this a cross, and I think that's why I'm going to cut it right there. So remember, the point of this video was just to go over slope or gradient of a line and how this relates to a lot of stuff in calculus. And actually it relates to a lot of stuff in macroeconomics, like opportunity cost and stuff like that. But we're just going to we're not going to go there. Just going to show you all of, point of this video, show you all of these different things step by step by step, and how it relates and connects and etc. So I'm going to stop there, and yes, all right. So